So we're back. We have this mini board that was brought in today by an engineer. There seems to no power coming in. See, we have to check with a multimeter. No sign of power at all. Well, I began to suspect the charging port, so I decided to boycott with another charging port to test if it will supply currents into the board. So this is how we soldered another charging port from the permanent charging port terminal. So you can see there's lights and it's powering up. You can see it's working fine. So that means the old charging port is faulty. We need to replace it. So you see it comes up with the one we improvised. So let's continue. Let's remove the old charging port which is faulty. So we've taken it out and we have to still improvise with another one since we couldn't get an actual size for the replacement. So we had to improvise with a one that could fit in sure. So so finally replaced it and we check our voltages. It seems to be fine. Let's power up and see. Yeah, the light is okay. So we couple our board back to the system and confirm properly if it will supply current to the screen and other parts of the system. Let's check. So here we go. Yes, it's okay and it's working fine.